Happy morning, children. Today you are going to see about robo mind. Let's see the concept of robo mind. What is robo mind? Robo is a new and very simple educational programming language. It is a simple educational programming language. You all studied about what is program. Have you all remember, children? Tell me, what is a program? Just to recall, children, program is nothing but it is a set of instructions. It is a set of instructions which we are giving into the computer. All clear, children? Why do we use robo mind? Why do we use robo mind? It is used all over the world by now and indeed serves students from all ages. So the robo mind, it can be used from KG2 till 12th standard. All age people can be used, which means it's too simple. Okay, that's why we use from KG2 till 12th standard. It can be used for science and technology projects at primary schools, secondary schools and further educations. So when you develop science or technology projects, we can use this robo mind in primary level as well as secondary level, also in high school level. Is that clear, children? It is one of the popular programming techniques. One of the popular programming techniques. So most of the people are familiar about robo mind, those who are in the computer field. Okay, it teaches you to be familiar with the basics of computer science. It teaches us the basics of computer science by programming your own robot. So using this robo mind, we can program our own robot. It is also very suitable for learning about problem solving and logical thinking. So the robo mind help us for problem solving. It can be any mathematics or any logical problems. Using this robo mind, we can solve it. Also, we can improvise our logical thinking. It allows you to gain insight into areas such as robotics and artificial intelligence. So this robo mind can be used where we can construct or design applications of robo mind. Is that clear, children? Okay. It is designed into such a way that you can start exploring and programming right away. You can explore and program right away. Is that clear, children? ஸோ இம்மீடியட்டாக யூ கேன் என்ன பண்ணலாம், நீங்கள் ரோபோட்டை உங்களுடைய கமெண்ட்ஸை வச்சு நீங்கள் ரோபோட்டை இம்மீடியட்டாக நீங்கள் கமெண்ட்ஸை வச்சு க்ரியேட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதை என்ன பண்ணலாம், டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு நீங்கள் எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணலாம். இஃப் தெர் இஸ் எனி ப்ராப்ளம், இம்மீடியட்லி யூ கேன் சால்வ் தோஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் இன் த robo mind. Is that clear, children? So you can start exploring and programming right away. So in a robot mind, the robot will act. The robot will perform different actions. So the robot is capable of performing several actions. So in a robot mind, the robot will act. The robot will perform different actions. What are the actions it will do? It will drive, look around, move items and paint. So this action will be done by the robots. It can grab or it can look around, it can move forward, backward, right and left. Also you can paint in white or black. So these are the actions will be done by robot in the robot mind. Is that clear, children? Now, how to launch robot mind in our computer? So you all familiar about desktop. What is a desktop? We all remember, children, you have studied in the classroom. I have shown in the Educom smart board. So desktop is nothing but it is a main screen area. You can see this desktop after you turn on your computer. So where you can see the icons in the screen. The first screen appears on the monitor. Is that clear, children? The desktop is nothing but it is a main screen area where you can see a small icon, and you can see this screen when you turn on your computer. So from the desktop, you have to follow these 3 steps to launch your RoboMind. The first step, click on the start button. Click on the start button. Second step, click on the RoboMind folder. The third step, click on the RoboMind icon. When you click on this, you will be getting to the RoboMind applications. Is that clear, children? Now, how to explore RoboMind? So, RoboMind development environment allows you to write, test and execute robo programs. Execute robo programs. Execute means you're running, you're playing your commands, programs. It consists of the following parts. So this RoboMind environment has this main 4 parts, that is script panel, world panel, run panel and message panel. Here using the script panel, the black area where you are going to write your commands, you are writing your instructions. Okay, according to the instruction in the world panel, you can see the robot here, isn't it? This robot can act. According to the commands, the robot can act in the world panel. So the orange area is called the world panel where you can see the output of the commands. Is that clear, children? The next one, run panel. Here in the run panel you can find 4 buttons, that is play button, stop button, move to previous command and move to next command. So using this button we are just operating the commands. So this area is called the run panel. Then message panel. Message panel will show the message if there is any error, any mistake in the commands. Okay, so using the message panel we can correct the commands. Is that clear, children? So the in a RoboMind environment, the 4 part is most important, that is script panel where you are going to write your commands or script, And in the world panel you can see the result, or you can see the output of the script. And in the run panel you're running the script using the buttons. And in the message panel you can see the error message if there is any mistakes in the comments. Is that clear, children? Just keep this concept in the mind. Let's practice in the next class. Let's summarize, children, once again. So, what is RoboMind? RoboMind is nothing but it is a simple educational programming language. It can be used for any age people, okay? And using this RoboMind, you can learn the basics of computer science by programming your own robot. Also, you can learn problem solving and logical thinking. You can improvise your logical thinking. And also, you can use this RoboMind such as robotics and artificial intelligence. Is that clear, children? And the actions of the robots are can drive, look around, move items and paint. So these are the actions of the robot in the RoboMind. And the steps to launch RoboMind: the first step, clicking on the start button. Second step, clicking on the RoboMind folder. The third step, RoboMind icon. Is that clear, children? Then the main parts of the RoboMind environment, that is script panel where you are going to write your script, and word panel where you are seeing the output of the script, and run panel where you are going to execute your script, and message panel where you are going to see the error message. Hope you all clear with the concept. Just to revise, children, 3 or 4 times and keep the concept in the mind and understand it. Have a nice day, children.